Hello dear founder! Today I want to share with you 3 different ambitious startups that you need to follow in 2025. I strongly believe that these innovations will simplify your life. My name is Nick, I am founder of software development company. Like, subscribe, let's go. Number 1, it's a startup that will help you create your own startup. The platform is called Lovable. The main idea, you can write a prompt as in a ChatGPT and it will create your application. But what is the difference between it and ChatGPT? The main one, it can deploy. Firstly, you need to authenticate. I use Gmail as a common practice. Then traditional questionnaire about who you are, and finally we can start build a product. I started with the creation e-commerce shop because it allows us to test is it possible to create not only front-end and UI UX part but also a backend and connection to the database. Writing first prompt, press enter and wait for a few minutes until it would be done. After creation, it will also display to you in their IDE how your shop will look like, but this is not the main feature. You can press deploy on the right top button and it will create your application accessible to anybody. But as a user you still can't log in and leave feedback about some item. And there is a reason, you don't have backend yet. To fix it, you need to provide credentials from Supabase. It's like a hosting provider, where they will store your data and backend. Of course, I made this installation, provided credentials into the chat, and it created sign-up form where I as a user can log in. But suddenly some issues appeared. Firstly, I couldn't sign up. It somehow told me that I need to wait 60 seconds. And after this it was impossible to confirm my account because somehow link that was sent to the email redirect me to the local host. After refresh page few times it finally authenticated me, but there some problem appeared again because it was impossible for me to leave a feedback. It's again display some error. So product is a little bit raw, but it's absolutely fine because it was released few months ago. Despite this, they grow rapidly and already have 3000 users. But the most important fact is that founders already raised approximately 7 million euros. That's why I strongly believe that in 2025 they will grow rapidly and finally become a unicorn. And yes, this application is amazing proof that in a few years AI will start to replace engineers. Number 2. If you like honey and emails, Beehive will definitely impress you. It's a wonderful platform that allows you to communicate with your auditory via sending newsletters. Just click into the login and sign up via your email. After this you would be redirected to main admin panel, and the biggest advantage, you already have this link and you can send this link to your users. It looks like this, and of course it could be customized. You can style it like this, and of course there is also a blog functionality. But of course the most important feature for bloggers, it's a monetization. There are 3 possibilities. First one, it's ads, secondly it's a boost when you integrate with some other newsletters, and the last one, it's a paid subscriptions. Regarding financial data, they already raised 12.5 million Series A round and recently reported about 1 million months revenue. If they continue growing with the same way, I believe that during 2025 they will definitely reach even 100 million annual revenue. Also, they have amazing referral program that can help you earn up to 60%. So if you are a marketing specialist, it's also amazing opportunity to have additional income. In conclusion, I must say that these days people a little bit skeptic about email marketing, so this platform could be definitely your competitor advantage in 2025. Number 3. This startup will definitely help you to deal with your financial data if you have a company in United States. The platform name is Fondo, and the main idea is make bookkeeping easy, taxes filed, and cashback from the IRS. Regarding usage, there is a tricky moment. You need to fill data about your company, but it's possible to start only if you have Delaware C Corp. After this, you would be redirected to a form where you need to fill other financial data about your company. In the end, you receive possibility to select additional features and enter your credit card to start usage. As I'm not a founder of a company in United States, it doesn't make any sense for me, that's why I selected the cheapest plan and paid $1. Finally, I was redirected to the dashboard where a wonderful guy asked me about complete my onboarding process. And there I found a feature that I fall in love immediately. It's called Runway, and if you are a startup founder, you definitely understand that this functionality can predict when you will broke finally. or become a unicorn and delegate it to your chief financial officer. You can also see cash balance, burn rate, transactions, some amount of documents, and finally tax credit section where you can receive info how IRS can give you cashback. Recently, Fondo has raised a 7 million seed round. It means that during 2025 they will feel comfortable and will add additional functionality on this amazing platform. In conclusion, if you wanna avoid misunderstanding with IRS and start sweep without feeling that you missed something in a tax form, this platform is definitely for you. By the way, if you have in mind some startups that I should record video about, feel free to write it in a comment below. It was your trustable chief executive officer, we'll see you!